Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel, Income Nomad. Today, we're diving into a powerful trading tool that can enhance your analysis and give you a clearer picture of market trends. We're talking about the Enhanced McClellan Summation Index, or MSI for short. So, what exactly is Enhanced McClellan Summation Index? It's a comprehensive tool that takes the traditional MSI indicator and kicks it up a notch by incorporating Heikin-Ashi visualization. The combination offers improved trend analysis and momentum insights for traders. Let's break down the methodology behind this powerful indicator. The MSI starts by calculating the ratio between advancing and declining issues in a specified index. It then takes this ratio and computes a cumulative sum of the MACD, or let's say moving average convergence divergence of this ratio. The MACD itself is the difference between a 19-period EMA or exponential moving average and a 39-period EMA, which helps smooth out the data and gives us a clearer picture of market breadth and momentum. Now here's where Heikin-Ashi comes into play. This technique uses a modified candlestick formula to create a smoother representation of price action. By averaging the open, close, high, and low prices of current and previous periods, Heikin-Ashi reduces noise and provides a clearer view of trends. The enhanced MSI also incorporates MACD and histogram calculations, refining trend signals and offering additional momentum analysis. The MACD here represents the difference between the 12-period EMA and the 26-period EMA of the MSI, and the histogram visually represents the difference between the MACD and its signal line. Now let's talk about customization options. You can choose your preferred market index from options like NYA, NDX, or XAX. Adjust the MACD settings to fine-tune the indicator's responsiveness, and apply a ratio multiplier to scale the MSI according to different market conditions and indices.
I've got some exciting news for you. BuyBIT, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards, enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest present fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? BuyBIT is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on BuyBIT. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together.
What are the benefits of incorporating Heikin-Ashi? Well, it provides smooth trends by reducing market noise, giving you a more apparent representation of trends. Candlestick patterns also become more distinct, making it easier to identify trend reversals and continuations. Now let's talk about how to actually use the enhanced MSI. Use the Heikin-Ashi visualization for clearer trend identification in combination with MACD and histogram analysis to gain insights into the strength and direction of trends, while filtering out potential false positives. For breadth analysis, explore the market breadth through the MSI's cumulative breadth indicator, which gauges the overall health and strength of the underlying market. And for those of you who love alerts, we've got you covered. The Enhanced MSI is a robust indicator that combines the breadth analysis of McClellan Summation Index with the clarity of Heikin-Ashi visualization and additional momentum insights for MACD and histogram calculations. Its customization options make it adaptable to various indices and market conditions, offering traders a comprehensive tool for trend and momentum analysis. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Enhanced McClellan Summation Index. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading insights. As always, happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.